1 week of game development. Have I made any progress? Let's find out. For those of you who don't know what game development is, it's where you make games. You really should know that. I don't know what. Yeah. Alright, but to understand my decision fully, we need to go back. So 1 week ago it was snowing in Ireland, and obviously, what am I like? I can't go outside. So like any normal person, I load up Warzone and then. I hear the beautiful crashing noises and my game has crashed. Sad times. Now it's time to make my own game. But first I needed to choose an engine. An engine is something that does like 80% of the work in game development for you. So it just makes game development a lot easier. I chose Unity because it's very powerful and it's the best for beginners. First quiz time. What is Unity? A. Search engine. B. Car engine. C. Game engine. D. All of the above. Put your answers in the comment section now. The answer is, with almost too much suspense, C. Game engine. If you got that wrong, leave the video. Anyway, that was a warm-up round. Now for the actual hard question. If you get this right, free shout out. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Do not miss. Put your answers in the comment section below. What game is made with Unity? A. Infinity Blade. B. Flappy Bird. C. Apex Legends. D. Temple Run. That's a difficult one. Will you get it? Nah. Oh well, try your best. And the answer is D. Temple Run. Alright, that's enough of the quizzes. Let's get back to the actual video. Congrats if you actually got that right. And now let's go back to the video. Alright, so when I was making the game, I didn't actually record anything because I didn't know that I was going to be making this video. So now I'm just going to showcase what I've done. The Rocket game will be available on the Google Play Store in about a month. Alright, so now let's actually cut to the gameplay because Unity is taking forever to launch. In a week I'll show what I've done and it'll be really good. But for now, look, you can go to options, you can go to graphics, you can do stuff like it actually looks like a real game, you know. If you have any cool ideas for the game, let me know in the comments, it'll be really interesting. All of the artwork is done by Fruit Soup. He's a great artist and the link to his page is in the description. Alright, so this is literally the game so far. There's nothing really to do, but it's coming along and it's going to be really interesting to see the progress in like a month. That's the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing for content that will get better every video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.